If you're staring at an empty wallet, wondering how you're going to make it through the week, stop scrolling. I'm not here to sell you a dream, and I'm not here to tell you to think positive and everything will magically change. I'm here to tell you the truth. And it might be the thing that pulls you out of the place you're in right now. Being broke isn't just about money. It's about waking up with that heavy weight in your chest, feeling like the world is moving forward and you're stuck in place. It's about the guilt when someone asks if you want to go out, and you have to lie because you can't even afford a coffee. It's about lying in bed at night, replaying every decision, every mistake, wondering where it all went wrong. Here's the part nobody tells you. Being broke can break your spirit long before it breaks your bank account. And that's why the first thing you have to fix is not your wallet, it's your mind. You see, money problems are visible, but mindset problems are silent killers. If you wake up every day believing you're stuck, you will stay stuck. If you think you're unlucky, you'll stop noticing opportunities. If you think you have no value, you'll stop offering what you have. I know, it sounds like a motivational poster, but this is science. Your brain is like a GPS. If you keep telling it you're lost, it'll keep taking you in circles. So today, you change the destination. Instead of I'm broke and I'm stuck, you tell yourself, I'm broke, but I'm building. Let me give you 3 things you can start today. No gurus, no fake promises, just real steps. Step 1, cut what's killing you, not what's feeding you. Most people cut the wrong things. They cancel a $5 streaming service but keep spending $80 a week on takeout. Audit your life. Find the habits that are draining you without giving you value. Cut them first. Step 2, sell or trade your idle value. Look around your room right now. I guarantee you have at least $50 worth of stuff you don't use. Old electronics, clothes, books. That's cash sitting in the dark. Sell it, trade it, turn dead weight into fuel. Step 3, create one stream of micro-income. This doesn't have to be your dream business. This is your survival stream. Freelance a skill, walk dogs, tutor kids, sell designs. Even $50 a week changes your momentum. Why? Because it proves to your brain you can make money outside your job. Here's the truth. It won't be instant. Some days will still feel like you're pushing a boulder uphill. You'll still have moments where you feel embarrassed, frustrated, even hopeless. But every single time you choose to act instead of complain, you take a swing at that wall in front of you. And one day, maybe sooner than you think, that wall will crack. When it does, you'll look back and realize the version of you that survived this was stronger than the version of you who avoided it. If this spoke to you, don't let it fade. Wait and the video ends. Write down the 3 steps. Start one of them today. And if you need someone in your corner reminding you that you're not done yet, hit subscribe. Because your story isn't over, it's just getting started.